Hello, ma'am. What could be the few ways of teaching money management to teenagers? Techniques or real life examples? So one of the tutors have asked me this question, the tutors who are from my community. Interesting question. How do you teach money management techniques to teenagers? Now I have to break this question into two. Money management or money, understanding money. There are two separate things. If it is understanding money, then first is understanding the currency. That is able to identify a currency and say, okay, this is 10 rupee, this is 40 rupee, this is 100 rupee. So many 10 rupees makes 100 rupees. So all that. If it is handling money, like how do you teach a child to handle money in the market, that's a different technique altogether, because you can't do it on pen and paper. You have to do it in the shop. You can do addition, subtraction in pen and paper, but the real feel of that exchange of money, subtraction, all that happens when you go to the shop. Now you'll ask me, oh my god, in the shop people don't have time, how will the child do? Well, if you notice today, everybody is doing calculation with a calculator. Everybody, whether they are dyslexic, non-dyslexic, slow learner, normal, accountant, engineer, doctor, everybody. Then why not my child? So using a mobile or using a calculator to do it, there is no harm. But child should know I'm giving 100 rupees note. Then when they use a calculator, they will know, okay, I will get back 36 rupees after purchasing this product. So he should know I have got that 36 rupees back. He should know that 36, how much 10, 10, 10 or 20, 10 and 6 and 5, whatever the currency is. That is real life practice of money. And for that, you have to send the child to the shop every day, even to buy some small stuff. Not only to buy, the child should be sent to the shop to go around and look for the price tags of the products, because you understand the value then. The child is saying, I want a chips packet. Please ask the child to go and find out what is the value of the chips packet or a suitcase. Because today it's so easy. You just have to take him to a mall and so many things are displayed, and even the price tags are put in the bold size, big sizes. So it's very easy. So it's very, very important to get familiar with the price tags. Then relating and shopping gets very easy. Now when you're talking about money management, that's at the next level now, money management. In that, first of all, starting from, where does the child get money from? Is it a pocket money or the child earning? What does the child do with that pocket money? How much of pocket money is saved? How much of pocket money is spent? What is it spent for? After saving X number of months, how much the money is saved? What is a wise way of spending the saved money, and what are you spending every month for? So all this comes under money management, because in real life also you're going to do that only. So suppose the child is getting say 100 rupees as pocket money. You have to teach the child to save 10% of whatever you get. This is a universal, I think, universal method of making wealth. Save 10% of your income. Yes, anything. So, I have a guru who taught me that save 10% of your income as savings, save 10% of your income for upgrading yourself. So, every month I put a 10% amount, whatever I earn separately, and whenever I want to do a program, a course, a training, which I do even now. Recently I attended a three-day course. Sometimes these courses are big value, like 50,000, 30,000. These courses are very expensive. So all of a sudden you cannot get that money from anywhere. So when you do this saving every month, you know that there is an amount that is ready for you to spend anytime when you want to upgrade yourself. These are the values we need to teach children. So if you're talking about money management, it's very easy. I mean, all these have to be done step by step with the child. Whether you're a parent or a teacher, I think this can be done very easily by having a rapport with the child. If you're somebody who wants to go more in detail on how to do it with your own child, especially a parent, We do a TYCY program, Teach Your Child Yourself. Click the link below, join the TYCY group. I'll connect with you, explain you how the whole program happens. It's a 3-month, 6-month, 1-year program where you are coached by me directly one-on-one on, we make a customized program for your child and you follow that step by step. All right. Thank you so much and see you the next. And yes, don't forget to share, like and subscribe my channel if you're still not done it. Thank you. Bye-bye.